this is Dirk from D&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our 71 Ford F100. Good driving and running old pickup. Let's see, we got to work and see if we get speedometer fixed and the Ebrake. So, not bad for an old ranch truck. This truck come off cattle buffalo ranch out in Western South Dakota. Actually one of my relatives, so they owned it for a lot of years. Like I said, good running, driving truck actually. I think they used it on the ranch right up to this spring until they retired. So if you're looking for a portable F100 four-wheel drive, tent side, these get kind of collectible, so they're kind of good values if you buy them under 15 grand that run and drive good. And this one kind of fits that bill. So, floor's going to need a little work, otherwise that's probably about all you'd want to do is patch the hole in the floor. They just use an old semi-mud flap right here. That's kind of an ingenious idea, but ranchers in Western South Dakota, they can fix about anything. So any questions? 605-695-7391.